Hello guys, my name is Natalie S and I work for Daly Rec. Today I'm going to be drawing Spider-Man. Alright, so we're going to start with the head. It's going to be like an oval shape. We're going to go to the arms a little bit below the head. We're going to draw like a line going straight across. And then make like a little half circle for the fist. And then another kind of like finish the rectangle. And then you're gonna go down for the body and go straight down. Backwards L for the legs. And you're gonna make another kind of like half circle. And then go up. And you're gonna make a horizontal straight line in the bottom. And then do another half for the other shoe. And then you're gonna make the same thing on the other side and do the L again, connect the body. Then we're gonna do the right side of the arm. You're gonna go a little bit above, 3/4 up from the head. Draw a straight line. We're gonna do the hands. It's gonna look like Rockstar or someone. One up, and then two kind of make it flat. And then one for the pinky going slightly above the other one. And go straight down to meet the body. And then in the middle with the two that's below, you're gonna draw a straight line for the webs hanging from something. And now we're gonna do the face. So for the eyes on the right side, about midway, you're gonna make oval shape. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the inside. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, but it's gonna be more in the middle. And then now in the middle of the body, you're gonna do the spider. So you're gonna do two small circles, kind of like an 8. And then for the legs, you're just gonna go lining up. It's like L's. You do 2 on each side, one right below the other. And then you're gonna do it again on the bottom. On the left arm, we're gonna do a little circle on the back for the webs. And then one going straight across through the paper, through the end of the paper. Now we're gonna do the lines on the head. So you're gonna start in the middle of the two eyes and draw a line forward, kind of curving it. And you're gonna do that throughout. And then you're gonna take, kind of like how you see in spider webs, the little lines that go between. And now for the body, you're gonna start on the left hand arm. You're gonna go in the middle of it, draw a straight line. And then you're gonna do the horizontal lines. And then you're gonna do it again. You're gonna go down in the middle where the spider is and draw a straight line. And then draw another straight line on the left and right side of it. And then you're gonna draw the horizontal. And then we're gonna do on the where the shoes are. And then on the left side, you're kind of make like a rectangle going up and down across the arm. And the same thing on the right side. And then there you have it.